Keep it rolling. Hi, Gail with Community Quick Cash. You know, there's a lot of misinformation out there about payday loans, and probably the most common one is that we're too expensive. People think we ought not to be allowed to charge what we do. But the truth is, payday loans are often the best, least expensive choice for somebody in need of short-term cash. There are many examples we could cite, but here's an easy, factual, visual case in point from a real customer. If payday loans are so terrible, banks must be a better option, right? And many banks do offer a pay advance program for their customers with direct deposit. So let's take a look at how this looks at the typical bank.
So in taking a deeper look at how the bank's pay advance programs work, we have an actual photocopy of one of our customers' bank statements. Now everything's confidential, just as we'd treat yours, but what we mean to illustrate is with the color coding, these items go together. This is the advance taken on the 26th. Corresponding orange would be the fee payment on the 31st. So back up with me here and take a better look at how this actually works with the typical banks. The loan number 26 was taken out on the 26th, repaid on the 31st. Most loan programs like this are repaid on the customer's direct deposit date, not in the customer's control, just when the payment seems to happen to the bank. So loan number 26, taken on the 26th, was $100. It covered 5 days, and at a payday loan office like ourselves, that would be about $6.10 in charges. Loan number 27, taken on the 27th, also repaid on the 31st, was $100. That covered 4 days and would be about $4.88 in fees. Loan number 28, taken out on the 27th, also repaid on the 31st, this time at $200, covered a 4-day period, and would carry a charge of $9.76 through the typical payday lender like ourselves. Finally, loan number 29, taken on the 30th, paid a day later when the customer received their direct deposit, and that covered 1 day, $100, $1.22 from an office such as ourselves. Who wouldn't pay $1.22 to borrow $100 from a friend for a day? But what we'd really like to bring your attention to is that all total, that's $21.96 worth of charges for $1, $2, $4, $500 being borrowed. Now, if $21.96 is our charges, but this customer gave $10, $20, $40, $50 to their bank for the courtesy of borrowing this money that was going to be theirs on payday anyway due to the direct deposit. Now anyone out there watching can see that $21.96 is a little bit less than half. The bank actually charged 228% more than what our office would have charged that customer.
Well, we don't mean to pass judgment on the banks here, hardly at all. Matter of fact, when you understand how big and complex a bank is, you'll understand the great amount of human and financial resources it takes for them to do business every day. But that's where a payday lender comes to serve you better. We're a single-purpose, efficient machine at doing exactly what we do, getting you a small loan and extending your credit in the most efficient means possible. So you see, payday loans can save you money. And as I've heard it said, it's not rocket surgery or brain science, folks. But visit us today at any of our 4 locations. We're in Fenton, Sunset Hills, Pacific, and DeSoto, Missouri. Bless you and have a good day.